Hello, everyone. Today we are going to explore instruments in BandLab for music education. So before we start, please log into your account. Click login, put your email and your password, and go to your class. Go to your music library and click Mix Editor. And then new track appears with instruments with your options here: drum machine, voice, mic, guitar, bass, loops, and import MIDI. Don't pay attention to that. Just click instruments, okay? Just this one for today. Okay, so let's delete this one. For example, that when the new track appeared, you clicked outside this, you clicked outside, and suddenly it disappeared. And then you don't know what to do. What you are going to do is just click add track. You can see here the small plus sign on the left side. Click add track and it will appear again. Then select instruments. I believe the default instrument is piano. So no worries. We are going to change that later. So for this example, students, I'm going to use 3 instruments. Perhaps I could also use drum loops. So let's see what would be the result. But for your activity, please refer to the instructions in your classroom in BandLab for music education. Okay? So let me start with piano then. So to change the name of your instrument, click the track and change the name of the instruments. Okay? Next, set your speed or your tempo. So keep the time signature 4/4, and here you can tap your tempo. So for example, in this case, I would probably tap it, click this one, the minus. Okay, let's make it 100. Okay, I would advise you to use metronome. After that, make sure that this metronome icon here is enabled. So click that, you will see it's green. So once you try to record, for example, you can see, you can hear the metronome and you can follow that. Okay, guys, also don't forget to put your project name. Explore instruments. There you go. Okay, let's add piano track. By default, it's always piano. Let's change the name of the instrument. There you go. Next, check here your instrument. Yeah, it's piano. Let's play the keys of the keyboard. Let's play our keyboard. Okay, good. It's working. Let's start now recording. And stop. Let's listen to that. There you go. I'm going to copy that. So Alt on your keyboard, the same for Windows and Mac. Click and drag. There you go. And now I have already here too. So let's add the second track. Click the small plus sign here on the left side, top left side. Next, select another instrument and rename that. I'm going to add bass. Click in the empty space in your arrangement window. Double check if it's bass. If it's not selected, you can find it in the drop down. So here, bass. I'm going to choose bass. There you go. Now let me play if it is really the bass. Okay, now it's working. I'm going to play a little bit of notes. Okay, let's do it, guys. Let's record. You can try first the notes before you record it. Okay, try first. Okay, if you are unhappy and you don't like the sound, actually, you can edit this one. Double click this. Can you see that? If you double click your track that you recorded, you can move your notes up and down. See? You can move that. Okay. I am very happy with this. Just click the MIDI file, this one, and you can move it up and down. Move your, see? The Okay. Now let's try from the beginning. Great. So I will copy that. So Alt and click and drag. There you go. And close this editor here below. Just on the left side, just click that X. It will close your MIDI editor. There you go. So I have already my 2 tracks. So let me add another one. Let me add strings. So I'll rename this one strings. For example, if you don't see the option instruments, you can see it here below. Click that instruments and it will appear. Okay. And then find your instruments, strings. There you go. Now it's loading. Let's listen. Okay, now it's working. Let me try my keyboard. Okay, let's hit record. Guys, if you would like to delete some parts, the easy way is to shorten it. So you can just click here below, as you can see, then hover your mouse to the left. Sorry, one more time. See, I can remove it. I can delete it, right? And if you listen, it's already gone. Right? It's beautiful, isn't it? So, but since I like my arrangement, I'll just keep it that way. So I'll put it back in the same place. So let's add another instrument. Let's add a drum track for this example. I'll just make it basic, okay? For example, I'll rename this one. Click, then rename drum. Then go to the drop tone here. Choose drums. I'll choose drum kits, okay? And today I'll just use the cymbals. Okay, let's hit record. There you go. Just in case you would like to slice your track, it's very easy. So you just hover this playback here and then put your mouse in the middle of the track, right click, and slice. That's it. So that's how you record instruments in your band lab for music education. Okay. And the last thing that you're going to do is click save. Click save. Then you go to your library for you to exit. And automatically your work has been saved. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to click start assignment and submit your work. Click your project and then explore instruments. Then click submit. And then there you go. Okay, bye everyone. Thanks for watching.